College bun fibro season part te 8 Mei iha ka result jong ka LDA embos wa pelat hapo ka Mekla Board of School Education te kat kum kuning result la tho ang ne based on the marks obtained in the written examination, practical test but ka personal interview. The following candidate in order of merits are hereby declared to have passed their recruitment examination for the post of lower divisional assistant computer operator. Ta kini kertang. First, rank number 1, Bilman Sengkan di Shira. 2, Boniface Pariat. Ini dari on reserve, ki yok rong ka on reserve. Dan 3, Yok Borlang Maulong, Khas Jenja. Lasin Arti Bupang. Ellsworth Karkongor. Larisha Thongni. Andre Rosel Wanjob Nongbri. Ini ada Khas Jenja. Dan Jakrik Bisangma, Garo kategori. Kit Borlang Bela, Khas Jenja. Paul Dekar. Babit Burom, Babit Kupar Mairom, and Imon Ka Bamon, Khas Jentia, dan Chen Miki Lalu, Khas Jentia, 13. And Welshi Bad CH Marak, Tengbad Jerome G Momen, Sengjerang Ke Sangma, Bulbul G Momen, Avishai, Rachel and Sangma, Noripchi Danal Marak, Chadim P Marak, Salom Patisa and Marak, Rosel Neng Minza Sangma, kini borok naka Garo kategori, dan Anurag Coach naka STSC kategori, but Winnie Seisi Khar Phanbo naka PWD kategori, te borok kilong Arp Songwot borok kiba layo ya kaneka post jong LDA assistant computer operator hapo embos te tangine hijib tip College bun.